Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we will tour you to our mini kitchen and also we will teach you on how to cook what?
Lasagna.
Okay, so we are cooking Arnel is cooking lasagna, and while he is cooking it, I will tour you around to our mini kitchen. This is just siguro ilang square meters to? Approximately mga 15 square. Basta 15 square meters. So first, let me introduce you to our little baby here. She's a bully. Her name is Ari. She's kind of sleepy, and of course the ever big Puchuchut. Tired siya kasi maaga pa siyang lumande somewhere else. Okay. So let's start with our fridge tour. Okay guys, this is our fridge. It's a Samsung 2-door fridge. I think we got this for 18. Okay? So mura lang siya. And then, ito yung aming mga fridge magnet. So everywhere we go, we see to it na makakabili kami ng fridge magnet. Before, marami siya. Kasi dati, before yung fridge na to, yung fridge namin is just a personal fridge. Yung hanggang bewang lang ata. So, naaabot siya ng isang aso namin na malaki. Tapos, sinisira niya. So, ngayon, ito na lang natira. Yung goal is, dapat mapuno siya ng mga fridge magnet. So, we've been to Hong Kong, Disneyland, Jakarta, Macau, Cebu, Baguio, Siargao, whatever. So, let's start. So, yung freezer is, ito, yun lang yung laman. Walang laman. So, ice lang. Meron kami nito kasi, di ba nga, masyadong mainit. This is for the dogs. So, nilagyan namin ng ice yung water nila. We also have ice cream here. This is very delicious. So, you should try this one. And yung sa baba, there. So, we have chocolate drink. We also have soft drink, merinda, and of course, juice. Di bali naman wala kaming tubig, basta meron kami nito. We really love this Del Monte 4-season juice drink. And then, meron kaming water, cheese, yung face mask. This is from the Face Shop. Ang ganda nito guys. Every sale, meron silang buy 5 plus 5. So, inaabangan palagi namin yan. So, as of now, meron na lang kaming 3. Cheese base is our favorite. We also have mayonnaise. And for the pancake. And then, ito. So, siomai, hindi mawawala. Chorizo de Cebu, ham, sisig, chicken, para bukas kasi may kailangan namin ulang hotdog, tocino. And yung sa dulo is yung pagkain ng mga aso. Bumibili kami ng gizzard or kaya chicken liver. So yan lang yung laman naming fridge. And then dito nakalagay sa taas ng fridge. Okay, we also have dog food here. So dito yung bacon. This is Ari's food. Ito yung biscuit niya. And then pancake, peanut butter, at kung ano-ano pa, junk food, alcohol, cereals, and etc. So, dito nakalagay yung plates namin, yung microwave, yung oven toaster, yung sandwich bags. We also have mugs. This is so cute. We got, padala to ng mom namin. So, you can't buy love, but you can rescue it. So, guys, just a trivia. Kahit may breed yung aso namin, binibigay lang siya. So, yan. Ari was given to us by a friend. So, yung kitchen. Have our Milo. We got this in Mandaue. And then, yung condiments. So, ayan. This is where our spoon and fork. Yung mga, tawag dito, casserole ba or frying pan, and then yung mga big frying pan nandito. And then para neat tingnan yung kitchen nyo, itago nyo yung gasol ninyo. So nandyan yung gasol, and yung bigasan, and then yung rice cooker. At least very neat siya tingnan. So dito naman is our parang maliit na pantry sa taas ng aming oven at saka yung stove. So yan lang siya. So typical breakfast ng mga Pinoy, spam, corned beef. Meron kami nito, sardines. Masarap to kapag may kasamang itlog. Sisig. Actually, hindi ako kumakain ng sisig. Arnel is eating it. And I think that's his favorite. Patis for refill. Ketchup. We also have this. Marami kami nito kasi anong last time na mali yung magbili namin. Lots of peppers. And danggit. This is our danggit, guys. Marami pa dyan. Oil. Grater. And maraming oil sa dulo. So, yan lang siya. And then, dito sa baba, meron kaming water ni Puchuchut at saka ni Ari at saka yung dog food nila. Diyan na lang namin nilalagay. At least para magutom sila kung wala kami, yung food at saka water nila, continue lang. This rug was given to me 2 Christmas ago. So, thank you, Madel. And then, yung chandelier, dito lang nakalagay yung water dispenser namin. And then, yung cover from Shopee lang to. And then, extra serving plates. At saka yung glass. So, dito naman sa center table namin, we're planning to change this one kasi masyado siyang black and madilim. So, we're planning to change this soon. Hopefully, mapalitan na din siya. Pero wala pa siyang sira. We're planning to sell this one. So, this cute fruit tray, ba tawag dito? We got this in Panad sa Negros for only 150, I think. And then, pineapple. Nadaan na lang namin kanina when we went to eat to my aunt. So, 3 for 100. Yung isa binigay na namin sa neighbor. And then, wala. Junk food ulit. But, nakuha namin to sa SNR. Because last week, we went to Iloilo. If you see the vlog, we also linked down below yung quick Iloilo trip namin. Ito sa SNR din to nakuha. And then, this is my food for today kasi hindi pa ako nakapag-lunch and it's already 5 p.m. So, bumuli lang ako ng sandwich at saka potato wedge. So, yan lang yung kitchen namin. It's 15 square meters, I think. More or less. It's just very, very small. But as you can see, it's rustic themed design. And yun lang. So, let's wait while our lasagna niluluto pa siya. So, yan. So, si Don. Nandiyan na siya si Don. Yan. He is drunk.
Si Buda.
Sunog baga kasi siya, guys. Ang red. So, full house tour kapag naayos na yung shower namin. So, watch out for that. Well, for now, while waiting, please don't forget to hit subscribe and also click the notification bell for our videos. Okay? So, yan. Nilalagay na yung... Nilalagay mabali. Yung, ano dito? Yung pasta. So, this pasta, as what I've mentioned, nakuha siya namin sa SNR. I don't know kung sa mga local groceries meron ito, but I think sa SNR lang siya kasi kanina sa Save More wala.
It's for 99 pesos.
Yes. For only 99 pesos. It's cheap. Wala na lang. We are waiting for pasta ko. Okay, so we have our garlic bread. So, pan lang siya, tapos nilagyan ng star margarine na garlic. Cheese. Cheese, kind of messy. It's okay. So, this is our sauce for the lasagna. And pinapakulang yung pasta. Right, Chef?
Yes.
So what are you doing?
I'm doing layering. Do I need to explain? Okay. This one. 2.
Okay, nilalayer niya lang yung pasta.
3.
So sauce, pasta, sauce, pasta, and so on. Right?
I think so.
So i-sandwich lang siya. Parang sandwich lang. Guys, yun na, last layer. And then we will put some quick melt cheese. Para maging cheesy. Dapat sana may mozzarella. Kaso, wala kaming mozzarella. Yan na yung cheese.
No,
Quick melt cheese. Of course, it's quick melt. What do you expect? It's softer than the other cheese. We grated the quick melt. Sinamahan siya ng yung ordinary cheddar cheese lang. So, combination of 2 cheeses. Yan. Almost there. It's kind of messy, but it's delicious. What are you doing?
I will put this in the oven. So you have to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. And you put it here. And let's sampaw that.
Yes, later. Karoon na ako lapit na luto.
180 degrees Celsius.
So, si Puchutchut nag-iinarte. Hindi pa siya nakakain the whole day. Our little piglets.
Yan mo talang na, oh.
Dala sa dalo mo.
Hindi kayo masunog na. That's, too hot.
Okay, so yung garlic bread namin, sinampaw lang. So guys, it's ready to cook. First is yung...
Ready to cook. It's cooked.
It's cooked already, sorry.
Oh,
Dahil siya butang ko. So, yung garlic bread namin. And of course...
Are you sure this is done?
Yes.
Is it?
Yes. The cheese already melted. So,
Kanina patay lang.
yan. There. Perfect. So guys, after the storm, look, in-invite namin yung mga neighbors to eat. So far, masarap daw. So, okay, what can you say?
Naman.
Okay, tangkilikin ang sariling atin. So, they love it. So, that's it for today's vlog. And hope you like it. Please don't forget to click subscribe and hit also the notification bell for our future uploads.
Bye!
Bye guys!